Hello everyone. In this lecture, we'll be discussing for loops in Python. Okay, so before we get to that, let me explain you why it's necessary to use for loops in program. So let's say you want to type a program that is basically displaying numbers from 1 to 10. So one way to do it is this. You just print 1, 2, 3 till 10, and when you hit run, this will give you your desired output. Now, the problem with this method of writing program is it's very tedious, it's redundant to keep writing the same code again and again. So, one principle in programming is you never want to be efficient, okay? You always want to write optimal code, right? So, this is not how you write a program for printing numbers from 1 to 10. So instead, what we do is use for loops. Okay, so basically, the syntax of for loop is um, for something in range your start position to your end position, you can perform a task. Okay, so this is what the syntax for the for loop looks like. So let me just straight away show you how you can write this. So I'm going to say for number in range 1 to 10, just print me the number. Okay, so let's see what happens right now. Okay, so we got numbers going from 1 to 9. Okay, and so I wanted 10, so I'm going to change this from 10 to 11. So now I'll be getting 1 to 10 as expected. Okay, so let's try to understand this code. Okay, so basically, number is a temporary variable that I initialized, and it can be anything. It can be for I in range, which is the convention. Okay, whenever people, okay, I should change number here to I again because we are no longer dealing with number, right? So now this program works. So for I in range, okay, for I going from starting from 1 to 11, just keep printing me the value of I. So after every iteration of print, um, my I value will be increased by 1. Okay, so first my I value is going to be 1. I'll be entering this and I'll be printing the I value, which will be 1, and then I'll be moving to the next value, which is 2. And I'm going to keep doing this, keep increasing till I reach my final position, the end position right here, right? So then once I have, gone out of the range, I is no longer in this range, right? So I'm not going to be printing values from 10. So my program terminates after I print 10. Okay. Also, you need not actually specify the starting value. By default, it's assumed to be 0. So now if you run your program, you still get the same output, so 0 to 10. But you can't do this for the end position. End position has to be specified at all times. Okay, so also you can use any variable. Another variable that can be used is an underscore. Okay, so just print underscore. This is also a convention that we can, look into later. So this is basic for loops. We'll also be looking into the same concept again when we reach arrays or list in Python. So until then, see you guys. Next video we'll be talking about while loops.